Hello and welcome. Today we are going to learn how to calculate the area of a rectangle. This is a fundamental concept in geometry that is very useful in everyday life. First, let's identify what a rectangle is. A rectangle is a four-sided flat shape where every angle is a right angle, which means 90 degrees. Also, the opposite sides are equal in length and parallel to each other. Now, what do we mean by area? Area is simply the amount of space inside the boundary of a two-dimensional shape. It measures how much surface the shape covers. One way to find the area is to count how many small square units fit inside the shape. In this example, we have a rectangle that is 5 units wide and 3 units high. If we count them all, we find there are 15 squares in total. Counting squares takes a long time, especially for big shapes. There is a faster way. Notice we have 3 rows, and each row has 5 squares. Instead of counting one by one, we can simply multiply the number of columns by the number of rows. 5 times 3 equals 15. This brings us to the formula. To find the area of any rectangle, you simply multiply the length times the width. We often write this as A equals L times W. Sometimes you might hear different words. Length is often called the base, and width is often called the height. The rule stays the same. Area equals base times height. Let's try an example with numbers. Here is a rectangle with a length of 8 centimeters and a width of 5 centimeters. To find the area, we multiply 8 by 5. The answer is 40 square centimeters. Be careful not to confuse area with perimeter. Area is the space inside, where we multiply. Perimeter is the distance around the edge, where we add the sides together. Remember, for area, we want to know what is inside. To summarize, area is the space inside a shape. To find the area of a rectangle, multiply the length by the width. And finally, remember that area is different from perimeter.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.